This code has been developed with our profession for our profession. It reflects the expectations of conduct and integrity that we all share. What we expect of each other and what our learners, their families and whānau, their communities and the public can expect of us.
It's an amazing starting point and reminder to who we are if we are professional teachers.
It's the baseline document, really. It's the first place to go when we need to address an issue, because it's quite clearly outlined that this is what we do as teachers.
If we are honouring a commitment to our profession as a whole body, those things that may be creating issues for our young people or our colleagues need to be addressed in a positive way.
Just because something's always happened doesn't necessarily mean it's the best practice. That's where the outlines within the code are good to refer back to, because it is all about change and challenging and making sure that we're doing the right thing for each learner.
It's about all leaders and everybody on a teaching staff taking action and having those hard conversations at times.
The longer you leave something, the harder it is to change. The quicker you can identify the issue, the quicker we can nail it, really.
There is some strong advice and examples that we can make reference to as either conversation starters or an opportunity to talk to somebody around what has happened. It gives the opportunity for those within our school or leaders or colleagues to be able to address some of those concerns.
That takes the personal nature out of it. So it doesn't matter what sort of relationship you may have with this person. This is our code, these are our guidelines, this is what we do. So it just shapes those conversations and it gives clear actions of where we need to go next.